Propellers, big propellers. We do it big here. Yes, yes, y'all. That's gigantic. Yes, yes, y'all. Gigantic propellers. Yes, yes, y'all. Got a gun. Big blast effects. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for checking out the latest hotness. Yes, yes, y'all. I'm always gonna have hot toys. Yes, yes, y'all. If not, these memories will make me happy. If there's a limit. Yes, yes, y'all. Check out my channel. I got so many toys. Yes, yes, y'all. I got He-Man. I got Ninja Turtles. Yes, yes, y'all. Hear the blast effects. Yes, yes, y'all. Gijoe is what we're doing today. Got these blast effects. Yes, yes, y'all. Nice blast effects, little blast effects. Yes, yes, y'all. More blast effects. Yes, yes, y'all. More of those. Yes, yes, y'all. Love to play with my toys. Yes, yes, y'all. Having fun here. Got two more missile pods. Chips and salsa, I believe. Yes, yes, y'all. That is all that. Yes, yes, y'all. That is all for the top compartment. Now we get to the real deal. The real deal. Wow, this is so big. As you see on this channel, I get wowed over these big toys. That came off easy. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. And got that out. that off. Yes, yes, y'all. Take off this tape. Yes, yes, y'all. Rotors over here. And that's it, just this last piece. Keeping the toy mint. That is all. That is our unboxing. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Get out these other attachments. Nice. A dream come true. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's put in the battery. Three AA batteries from the Dollar Tree, from the dollar store. Got it. Got it. Got my lights. Yes, yes, y'all. Got me some nice lights. Nice. Yes, yes, y'all. Stick the battery cover on there. Don't want to lose the screw. Yes, yes, y'all. And we are flying high. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. That's pretty big. It's bigger than the previous helicopter. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Dragonfly flying high. And stick these in. Got it. Yes, yes, y'all. Got it. Yes, yes, y'all. All ready. Got it. Big helicopter. Kind of big. Yes, yes, y'all. And we got another sticker over here. Yes, yes, y'all. Stick Wild Bill in there. Freaking open this up. And we got Wild Bill in there. Got it. And I'd like to stick, who should I choose here? Maybe Glenda? Maybe got to bend her feet. Better off without the backpack. Yes, yes, y'all. And the dragonfly is armed up. Yes, yes, y'all. Got it. Yes, yes, y'all. That is the dragonfly, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. See how that compares to the previous one. It's much bigger. It's bigger and better. Yes, yes, y'all. Bigger and better, y'all. The dragonfly, y'all. And stick these on there. Got the missiles on. Yes, yes, y'all. Got its missiles on. Yes, yes, y'all. And let's attach its guns. Yes, yes, y'all. Got it. Got his gun there. Got the different missiles. Yes, yes, y'all. And that is a wrap, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Got his missiles. Put one of the chips in salsa. Yes, yes, y'all. And that is a wrap There it is with the lights. No, that doesn't go there. Yeah. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. And that is my my Dragonfly helicopter. Yes, y'all. That is a wrap for the unboxing. Check out the Dragonfly, y'all. We got Glenda. We got Wild Bill in there. Oh, Tiger's back at the end of the unboxing. Hi, Tiger. See, the lights came on. Yes, y'all. So this is the best G.I. Joe collection here. These two choppers are different. The Dragonfly is very big. Yes, y'all. That is the Dragonfly, y'all. Let's see how they look. Here's the vamp. Yes, y'all. Here's the tiger paw. Joe's in action. Here's the motorcycle. Yes, y'all. Let's bring the tank over there. Tank. Got some missiles. Yes, y'all. Get the Berenice chicks out here. Yes, y'all. And that is the G.I. Joe Dragonfly. What do you think? This is the previous helicopter. Now we got bigger and badder. Yes, y'all. Got General Hawk. Bazooka. The Tiger Force Duke motorcycle. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Thanks for subscribing, y'all. This is the unboxing. And, yes, y'all. More goodies on the way. We got the Cat Slayer. We got Mondo Ninja Turtles. Yes, y'all. That is a wrap. It's the Dragonfly. And Night Force.